Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. So today you are going to begin writing your Anne Frank essay. So your do now should help you with practicing thesis statements. Your thesis statement will be your answer to the essay question. Today's agenda. You have a do now, 5 to 7 minutes. Write your objective, 3 to 5. Finish your graphic organizer, and then you will use your graphic organizer to begin typing your essay. Your essay is due tomorrow, so you have today and tomorrow. To write your essay, you will type your essay in Schoology. I know some of you want to write on paper. However, I need you to type it because it will help you practice for your 10 Ready writing portion in the spring. How will you type your essay? So if you go to Schoology, your essay assignment is at the top of your Schoology page in your materials section. This is true for all 3 class periods. So all 3 class periods. So you will click on this. There will be a place that says My Document. You will click on that. There will be a place here that says Edit. You will click Edit. If it doesn't open, there will be a button here that says Connect. Click it. Keep logging in to OneDrive. It'll have you continue to log in. Keep logging in until it gets you in. Help your peeps. Some of you are set up, some of you aren't, and so help your peeps. Okay, there were some questions about how to set up your body, the body of your essay. So if I open the essay, here it is. So let me fix this. So I have placed reminders here in brackets as to what you should have. So you should start off with a topic, or excuse me, a title. Please don't make your title my essay. Your title should connect somehow to the essay question. Then you will write your introduction paragraph. Your introduction paragraph will introduce the topic. Then it will have a hook. It will also have a thesis statement. So excuse me, hook, background, thesis statement in that order. The hook gets us interested in the topic. The background kind of explains a little of the context. And then the thesis statement is your answer to the essay question. So here is your body section. Your body section gives details as to your thesis. So I'm going to try to quickly model this. Now this is right off the top of my head, okay? So for my hook, I am going to start off with a statistic. And this number might not be quite right, but again, off the top of my head. During World War II, millions of Jews were killed by the Nazis as part of their final solution. Okay, so I chose a fact to orient my readers to how horrible this situation was. It's also connected to the essay question. Remember, the essay question is, how are historical events reflected in the play The Diary of Anne Frank? Anne Frank and her family hid from the Gestapo to avoid being sent away to concentration camps. Notice I spelled Gestapo wrong. I'm going to go back and fix that. Anne wrote about her experiences while in hiding in a diary. Her father published the diary after the war. Playwrights, and I can't remember their names. I would usually put the two playwright names, but I'm in a hurry. Well, I probably should do the right thing. Let me model the right thing. Sorry, guys. Let's go all the way back to the beginning here. Okay, so here are our playwrights. Frances Goodrich and Albert Hackett. Copy. I'm going to put here plain text only. Okay. Playwrights Frances Goodrich and Albert Hackett teamed up with Mr. Frank, or Frank, let's just say Frank. So, playwrights Frances Goodrich and Albert Hackett teamed up with Frank to compose a play based on the events captured in Anne's diary. Okay, so again, here I have a hook. I chose to use a fact, so that's my hook. All of this is my background. And now I'm going to go into my thesis statement. My thesis statement is going to answer the essential or the question. So how are historical events reflected in the play? Okay, thesis statement. The playwrights represented the fear of being caught by the Gestapo and sent to concentration camps through many events in the play. Not the best thesis statement, but it answers the essential question. So then each one of my paragraphs could be about times that they thought they were going to be caught. It could be times when they were afraid of the going to concentration camps. Now, I could also write the playwrights represented the hope that the annex residents felt when hearing about the invasion. You could say the playwrights showed multiple historical events in the play, including laws that isolated Jews, fear of the Gestapo, and angst, or not angst, and the horrible atrocities that occurred in concentration camps. So in that thesis statement, I made each paragraph a topic. So here, my first body paragraph would be about laws that isolated Jews and how that was reflected in the play. My second body paragraph could be about the Gestapo. My third paragraph could be about concentration camps. Again, your conclusion is how you felt the playwrights did. Were you able to understand how it felt to be a Jew during World War II by reading this play? That's your conclusion paragraph. So I've modeled, please do not copy this as your paragraph. This is a model. Again, you're going to start off with something to get the reader's attention. You're going to give a background related to the essay or research question, and then you're going to write an answer to the research question, and then your support for your answer goes in your body, and then your conclusion will tell us how well they did. I tried not to make this really long, but I hope this helps. And I look forward to reading your essays. Have a great day.